Hello, good morning student. How are you all? Fine. Today we are going to start exercise of this chapter number 16, light. First we will solve the textbook exercise. Okay student, your first question is, suppose you are in a dark room. Can you see the object in the room? Can you see object outside the room? Your answer is, when we are in a dark room, then we cannot see object in the room, and we can see the object outside the room because the out of the room the light is available and the rays of light can enter our eyes after the reflection from the object. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डिफरेंस बिटवीन बताना है आपको रेगुलर और डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन में. रेगुलर और डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन. फर्स्ट डिफरेंस, ऑल द रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज आर पैरेलल. डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन, the reflected rays are not parallel. Second, it occurs on a smooth and polished surface. Okay, second, it occurs on the rough surface. Third, reflected rays are in one direction and reflected rays are scattered in different direction. इसमें दो क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं तो सेकंड का आंसर लिखेंगे अब यहाँ से. No diffuse reflection does not mean the failure of laws of reflection. Question number third. Mention against each of the following whether regular or diffuse reflection will take place when a beam of light strike. Justify your answer in each case. मतलब आपको बताना है कि हर इस केस में क्या होगा, रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन होगा या फिर डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन. ठीक है. फर्स्ट आपका है पॉलिश्ड और वुडन टेबल. रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन विल टेक प्लेस बिकॉज द सरफेस इज प्लेन एंड पॉलिश्ड. Second, chalk powder diffused reflection take place because the surface is rough. Cardboard surface diffused reflection will take place because the surface is rough. Marble floor with water spread over it, regular reflection will take place because the surface is smooth and plain. Mirror, regular reflection because the surface is plain and polished. Then after piece of paper में diffused reflection will take place because the surface is rough. Then after you state the laws of reflection. State the laws of reflection. इसमें आपको the two laws of reflection are incident ray, normal line, and reflected ray are all lie in the same plane. And the angle of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. And in this answer you have to draw the diagram. Also, this diagram I am showing you. Figure 16.3. Figure 16.3 you have to draw this diagram in question number 4. State the laws of reflection. ये वाला जो diagram है ये आपको इस आंसर में ड्रॉ करना है. Laws of reflection. Okay. Figure 16.3. Okay. Then after question number 5, describe an activity to show that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal line at the point of incident lie on the same plane. Answer is, 1 minute. On the table, place a plane perpendicular to the plane of the table. Make a small hole in a paper and hold it perpendicular to the 1 minute. Perpendicular to the plane of the table. Try to do this experiment in a dark room. Take one more piece of paper and place it on the table so that it make contact with the mirror. Okay. And draw a line perpendicular to the mirror or piece of paper on which on the table. Now light rays with the help of torch through the small hole such that the beam of light hit the normal at the bottom of the mirror. The ray of normal at the bottom of the mirror, the ray of light will be reflected. In the light rays from the hole are incident on the mirror. Looking at the piece of paper on the table, we can easily show that the incident ray, normal line, and the reflected are at the point of incident line in the same plane. And you have to draw this diagram. ये diagram आपकी activity में भी है, वहाँ से भी आप draw कर सकते हैं. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको क्लास में करवाए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपको क्लास में करवा दिए गए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए पर्सन 1 मीटर फ्रंट ऑफ ए प्लेन मिरर सीम्स टू बी 2 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम हिज इमेज. इफ यू टच योर लेफ्ट ईयर then with right hand in front of a plane mirror it will be seen that your right ear is touched with your left hand. थर्ड में आंसर होगा लार्ज और डी में लेस, थर्ड में लार्ज और डी में लेस। उसके बाद में MCQ है, वो भी मैंने आपको क्लास में टिक करवा दिए थे। एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑलवेज। इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय ए प्लेन मिरर इज वर्चुअल बिहाइंड मिरर एंड ऑफ द सेम साइज एज द ऑब्जेक्ट। बाद में क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, डिस्क्राइब द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कैलेडियोस्कोप। Describe the construction of a kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is a device based on the principle of the multiple reflection. किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है? मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शन के ऊपर। ओके, नाउ it consists of 3 long narrow strips of plane mirror inclined at an angle of 60 degree to one another forming prism. This is the fitted in a tube. One end of this tube is closed by cardboard disc having a hole at its center. To the other hand, touching the mirror plane glass plate is fixed on which broken piece of colored bangles are placed. This end of the tube is closed by a ground glass plate. ओके, एंड इसके अंदर आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में ये जो डायग्राम है फिगर 16.12 मेकिंग ए कैलेडियोस्कोप, ये आपको ड्रॉ करना है। ओके, कैलेडियोस्कोप का ये जो डायग्राम है ABC तीनों आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं। यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑल दीज डायग्राम्स A, B एंड C 16.12। देन आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग लेबल सच स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आई का स्ट्रक्चर का भी डायग्राम आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में, हियर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम फिगर 16.14 इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। ओके, ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ह्यूमन ईयर। ओके स्टूडेंट, 10 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीटेड। नाउ 11, Gurmeet wanted to perform activity 16.8 using a laser torch. Her teacher advised her not to do so. Can you explain basic of the teacher's advice? Teacher has advised Gurmeet not to do so because laser light is very harmful for her eyes and can causes a permanent defect in the eyes. Person can even lose his or her eyesight is less the torch is directed over the eyes. Question number 12, explain how can you take care of your eyes. इसमें आप जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो पीछे से भी लिख सकते हैं जहाँ क्वेश्चन में आपको बताए गए हैं सारे। Eyes are very precious. We must take proper care of them. We must always sit straight while reading or writing. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Wash your eyes with clean water frequently. Not look at the sun directly. Always read or write in a proper light. Question number 13. Question number 13 का आंसर है if the angle of question number 13. If the reflected ray is at the angle of 90 degree to the incident ray, then the angle of incidence is 45. According to the law of reflection, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal. Therefore, the angle of incidence and angle of reflection and the angle of reflection both are 92 upon 2, 90 degree upon 2, 45 degree आएगा. Angle of incidence is 45 degree. Question number 14. How many images of a candle will formed if it is placed between two parallel plane mirrors separated by 40 centimeter? Here, mirror are placed parallel to each other 40 centimeter apart. Therefore, the infinite number of images will be formed. And then now, question number 15. Okay, student, here question number 14 तक ही आज हम करेंगे. ओके, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नंबर टिल क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट टिल क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 टुडे. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी विल डू इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, बाय.